Hi guys, it's Anjali here from Dance It Out Ireland, and today I'm going to teach you a TikTok tutorial to tap in. Make sure you hit the like button if you're enjoying our videos and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Okay, so for the first step, what you're going to do is you're going to grab your wrist and you're going to grab your other wrist. At the same time, I'm just picking up my heels to use my hips side to side. So it goes wrist, wrist. From here, you're going to draw a love heart all the way up and then drop it down. Okay, when you're down here, you're gonna flick out your hip, hip, and then other hip. So for me, I find it easy when I just twist my heel outwards and I twist my other heel outwards. So let's put it together from the top. It goes wrist, wrist, roll, down, hip, hip. From here, you're gonna go hand, hand, and you're gonna go all the way around. Now, again, if you've never done this move before, what you're gonna do is you put your two wrists together like this, you keep them conjoined, and they're going in the opposite direction. So nice and slow. So you're making this shape, and then you're gonna make this shape. Now, you're gonna roll it a little bit faster. The key thing in this is make sure you have space in your elbows to go all the way around. So let's mark it through from the beginning again. It goes wrist, glitter, waist, hip, or hand, hand, all the way around. You're gonna dice roll, and then make a whisper, okay? So after here, you're gonna spread out your hands, and your hands are gonna go up and down, okay? At the same time, you're gonna jump up, and down, okay? So it goes up and down, then you're gonna tap your pockets, 1, 2, 3, jump across your feet, and turn, and then you're gonna pretend you're swipe, 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 swipe. Okay, so let's mark it slowly through from the top. Here we go. Wrist on glitter, waist thinner, hand, hand, wrap it around here and whisper. Face, pockets, cross, turn, and swipe, swipe, swipe. Okay, let's try it one more time at tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and wrist, waist, arms, here, face, pockets, cross, swipe, swipe, swipe. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. If you've liked it, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more TikTok and dance tutorials.